Hi everyone, today we are making jollof rice. The list of ingredients used will be in the caption. For jollof rice, it is advisable to use more peppers than tomato paste or tomatoes because this gives it more flavor and a brighter red color. So I suggest you use bell peppers or Romano peppers, also known as Tatashe peppers, for your pepper mix. Like I said earlier, the exact recipe and measurements are in the caption of this video. Frying some onions in oil before you fry your tomato paste helps build flavor. The aromatic flavor in the onions is released into the oil and the sauce that you would make as the base for your jollof rice. You can use any kind of tomato puree or tomato paste here if you do not have access to the one I used in the video. Just make sure to fry it properly until it's cooked, and you will know it's cooked when you can no longer taste the tanginess of the tomato paste. Curry, thyme, garlic, ginger, bay leaves are staple seasonings that you use when making jollof rice. I would strongly recommend that you get these spices because I don't think your jollof rice would turn out great if you do not have at least curry and thyme. Yeah. These are added in moderate proportions, so you don't need to get so much, just a few sachets will be fine. For seasoning, I like to use chicken seasoning. Benny is one of my favorites, but Maggi chicken, Knorr chicken, any of the bouillon cubes can work as well. And it doesn't have to be chicken flavored, you can use beef flavored bouillon cubes as well. Like I said, the rule of thumb for frying your tomato paste is to always make sure that the tangy flavor is out of the way. And I absolutely recommend that you use bay leaves as well. There is no jollof rice without bay leaves. Yeah, I said it. This is where you add your stock. Could be beef or chicken stock if you have any. If you do not, that's also fine. You can simply just add water. But I recommend having like stock from chicken or beef or turkey because it adds more flavor to the jollof rice. The next thing to pay attention to is how to salt appropriately. Remember that you will be boiling a large amount of raw rice in this stock, so you need it to be well seasoned. You need to make sure the salt is just right and the bouillon cubes are just right. Make sure that you have enough water to cover the rice, not overflowing, but just enough to be like an inch above the rice in the pot. And cook your rice in low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. I usually use number 5 on the cooker. You cover with a tin foil and use the steam from the rice cooking to soften the rice and cook it slow. Once the rice is soft enough, you increase the heat to about 9 or 10 or the highest on your cooker to get the rice to dry quickly and get it to burn as well. You want your rice to burn. That's how you get the smoky flavor. So allow your rice burn for like 5 to 7 minutes. Yeah, I said it. And then mix it properly and enjoy. I hope you try this recipe. Let me know if you do and enjoy your jollof rice. Thanks for watching. Bye.